If you're a real estate investor, please come closer. This video is for you. Real estate is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. Most beginners lose money because they don't understand one thing. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for trusting in us. Let's get started. Investors don't buy houses. Investors buy numbers. Emotion has no place in investment. Number two, you think about your cash flow. Here's the formula. Your rent minus your expenses equals to your profit. Now, the expenses include things like mortgage, your taxes, maintenance, and of course, vacancy cost. If the numbers don't work, please don't buy. The third is the location of the property. Location determines your demand. Look for growing areas which has strong rental demand and future development. That's where the opportunity lives. The next is your tenant. Your tenant is your income. You have to screen them properly. Check for their income, their work history, their credit history, because one bad tenant can erase your entire profit. Subscribe, like, and share our content so we can be able to build the community.